Hey everybody, welcome to Titans of CNC Academy. My name is Billy Boyce, and today I'm going to take you through designing TITAN-90L in Fusion 360. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we want to do, make sure we are in the design workspace. And we're going to go ahead and come up here and click Create Sketch. I want to choose the front plane, and I'm going to press L on the keyboard for line. I'm going to go ahead and snap right here to the center, drag this over to the left. I'm going to type the overall length of the part at 1.605. Enter. I'm going to double click the center mouse button, kind of zoom in there. Now I'm going to kind of just quickly sketch out the shape of the part. Something like that. There's a thread relief. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and throw some dimensions down and make sure everything's horizontal and vertical. Go ahead and go here. Let's set our diameter at 0.475. Enter. Go from here to here. 0.2. Let's go ahead and set this diameter. 0.367. I want this point to be in line with this one. Go dimension. We'll go from here to here. 1.305. Now we can go from here to here. 1.240. Let's go ahead and set this diameter here. That's 0.240, and we'll divide that by 2. Go here and here. 0.367, again, we'll divide that by 2. So far, looks good. Let's go ahead and drop down some circles here. We'll go center diameter circle. I'm just going to click and kind of drag it. I'm not going to give it any dimensions until this last one. I'm going to type in 0.1, enter. And now I'm going to hold down the left mouse button and kind of drag a box over those circles. Looks like I missed that one, so I'm going to hold down Command, click it, and say equal. Now they're all the same size. Now let's go ahead and start adding some dimensions here. So I'm going to come up here to Sketch Dimensions, or press D for dimension. I'm going to click there and there. 1.1, 0.961, 0.822, boom, boom. On to the next one, 683.683, and the last one, 0.544. Now we'll do these dimensions here. 0.425, 0.440, 0.456, 0.471, and 0.486. Okay, let's go ahead and press L for line, and we're going to do some chamfers. So I'm just going to go here to here, here to here. There's one here. There's one I'm going to have to skip right here. I'll show you in a minute. So, okay, we'll go ahead and press D for dimension. We'll go from here to here, and that's 10th thou, 0.01. And we'll put an angle on that. 45. Go here to here. 0.06. And again, that's 45. Go again here. Oops. Press D for dimension. 0.035 at a 45. .035, 45. Okay, we can go up here to modify fillet. We can select just the corner, say 0.015. Do this one as well. Press enter. So the only thing left is to put the drilled hole in. So we'll just come up here to line. We know that's a depth of 700.7. Press L for line. Go ahead and connect that. D for dimension. Let's make that 70 degrees. And let's go ahead and finish the sketch. So we'll say finish sketch. Under the solids, we'll do create revolve. We'll choose that section like that. We'll select the axis. We'll say OK. Now we'll come up here to modify fillet. We'll put 100 thou there, 0.1, enter. We'll go modify chamfer, hit that corner, 0.01, enter. Kind of take a look at it. And there you go. That's the Titan 90L.